Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a video on some tricks and tips that I learned from my natural hair journey. Now the first trick I'm going to talk about is less is more. Now when I'm saying less is more, I'm talking about less products. So it's not really ideal if you want to have 20 or 30 products using on your hair. If you can find 10 products that work for you, 5 products, 2 or 3, the less products you have in your hair, the better. Trick number 2 is don't be afraid to try new products. So let's say you're using ABC conditioner, but your girl Keisha says, oh, XYZ conditioner is the bomb. Please don't be afraid to try it out. You never know until you try it. XYZ conditioner could be better than ABC. Don't knock it till you try it. I would suggest if you want to try a different product, give it 1 or 2 weeks for your hair to really adapt to it. You want your hair to know what it's like and understand it. You can kind of see, oh, well, it works for me, or it makes my hair too dry. Trick number 3, know your ingredients. So let's say you're purchasing shampoo or conditioner. What you want to do is look for some key things. This is the shampoo that I use for my hair. So I look and see it says no sulfates or parabens. That is what I want. It's very important because those two dry out your hair. They strip your hair out of moisture and oil that you need to really help your hair grow. Another thing you want to look out for is on the ingredients at the back. If water is not listed as the first product for your shampoos, your conditioners, your moisturizers, your detanglers, put it down and walk away. It's not good for you at all. Anytime I'm going to buy a new product, I look, first ingredient, oh, it's not water, I don't want it. Now, the fourth thing I'm going to talk about is that oil moisturizer. It is a sealant. You want to add oil after you put your conditioner, your moisturizer in your hair. So if your hair is already dry and you just put oil in it, you're sealing up the dryness. Trick number 5 is wigs are great protective styles, but don't forget to take care of your natural hair underneath. So wigs are so easy. You just throw them on, go on about your day. You don't have to worry about your hair. But if you're not taking care of it underneath, what are you protecting? I mean, that goes for other protective styles like box braids, crochet braids, twists. If you're not maintaining what's underneath, then you're kind of like not really doing what you're supposed to do. Trick number 6 is when purchasing oils, it is also important to look at your ingredients. So I have right here my Jamaican castor oil. I purchased this from my local beauty supply store. Now what you want to do is look at the ingredients. It has to be either the first and or the only ingredient for whatever you're purchasing, so you know if it's 100% pure natural. Let's say you're trying to buy coconut oil and you don't see coconut oil listed until like the last product, then that's not good. That's not natural. You don't want that for your hair. Trick number 7 is pre-poos are also very helpful. Pre-poo is a step that's done before you wash your hair. What I do is I take some olive oil and I saturate my hair and I detangle and I put 2-strand twists and I put it and I let it sit for about an hour or 2. And when I wash it out, it helps my hair to retain that moisture. It helps my curls to really pop, and I got that 4C hair. So my curls be coming through anytime I do a pre-poo. You can also use the Aztec clay as well. You don't have to use oils for your pre-poo. Pre-poos are pretty much optional, but I tried it out just because I kept hearing a lot about it and my hair has like gone crazy, and it's a step I use now every time I do a wash. Trick number 8 is protect your edges. Edges are so important. Try not to wear styles that are too tight. You start to feel it. You start to feel that tension. If you get a headache, you know it's too tight. You need to let it go. It's great to have long hair. You know, it's all the rage. But if you don't have no edges, then, oh, that's awkward. Trick number 9. Now this is something I started doing myself. I don't know how it started, but I've been doing this for years. So there are 4 things that I always keep with me at all times when I'm going out, whether I have braids, wigs, or my hair. I have a comb or an afro pick, headbands, a bobby pin, and a scarf. So I have my reasons for having those 4 things with me. So let's say I'm going out, I got my afro and I'm feeling myself, but I need to pick it out. I need to fluff it and let it, look all good. But my hands aren't doing it quite enough. That's where the afro pick comes in. I just go ahead and fluff that bad boy out and I'm back. Or if I have my hair out and I'm like, dang, I want to put it in a ponytail or I want to wear a high puff. That's where you have your stretchy headband and your bobby pin, and they come in handy. Or if you've been wearing your high puff for a few hours and getting a headache and you're tired and you're like, man, I just want to switch it up. You can either use an afro pick and or your scarf, tie it on, you got a whole new hairstyle. It saved me countless times when I have my high puff and my head is just like, no, I can't do this anymore. I literally go to the bathroom, boom, change my hairstyle. It's an emergency kit for naturals. I'm gonna put it that way. Trick number 10 is trim your ends. So if you're trying to get that length, like you want your hair to be super long, trim your ends. I still struggle with that. I don't always trim my ends when I'm supposed to, but I tend to do it when my hair is blown out. So I just take it and just dust off the ends. So you're supposed to use specific type of scissors to do it. I don't, which is not good. But if you want to see a difference in the length of your hair, I would definitely advise that you trim your hair as often as possible. Now, I hope these 10 tricks help you. I hope this video is really helpful to you. I had fun recording this, and I will be back next time.